السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters. My name is Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. For me, I am so sick today, a little sick with a cold. So don't worry about my voice. Okay? So today I will show you more feature about SQLite. SQLite Advanced feature. What we can do now. I have showed you before how to create a database, how to create table, and how to insert data. Now I will show you how to add some criteria to your query. For select query, for example, how to update your data and how to delete your data, etc. So to do this, I will come back to my project. I have do it before. I have insert some data again to make query with some data. And here, what I want, if I run my query now, I will see like this. What I have data in my database. I will just see what I have. Okay. So now, as you can see, I have this. I have all this data. Amin Karim Asdin, and I have put them second times. Reda Halim Musa, Reda Halim Musa. 2 times again, no problem. I have inserted them 2 times, no problem. And now what I want, so I will come on this. I don't want to insert them again. I want to retrieve all the friends that have the age less than 32. Okay, I just show here the age. As you can see, I have all the age. 30, 38. I don't want to retrieve all the age friends that have the age more than 32. Okay? So to do this, I will add the keyword where here. After in the query, I add the keyword where. Okay? And I give him my criteria, my condition, or my filter, what you want. So my condition, what is? The age less than 32. To do this, I will give him the name of column. It is age, and here less than 32, just like this, or less than or equal, as you want, for example. Okay, and now look, I will run the query. Let's see, is read or no? Okay, do you see? Here is all the friends. I can show also directly here. We can see them here, I think. As you can see, here is all the friends that are the age less than 32 is the first thing. What we can do also, I can add more condition in my query, not only one. To do this, we use logical operator, it means and or, for example. So here, what I want, for example, I want to get the friends or the data that have the age equals to or less than 32, and also the name equals to Amin. To do this, I just added here the condition operator, logical operator, sorry, and and here I will add the name of column. It is name equal. I open gets and the name is Amin. Okay, and now I will run again. Just see. Oops. Where is it? Where is it? So let's see. Name. Where is it? Do you see? This is the new one. Here is it. I have two data with name Amin and less than 32. So I can remove this. And the log is very long. Where is it? We can see it with age directly. Yes, here is it. As you can see, I have only two data, less than 32, and the name is equal Amin. Okay? What we can do also, we can limit the data that we want to retrieve. For example, here, if I make age or name, I will delete this one. If I make like this, I will get the data with the name equals to Amin. As you can see here, I have two. I can limit by number how many data I want to retrieve. To do this, I just added the keyword that is called limit. And I give him how many numbers I want to retrieve. For me, I want only one data, only one. Okay? So let's see now. I will show you after this how to clear the log automatically. Yeah? I forgot to do this before. And now, where is it? Where is it? Here is it. Do you see? Here is it. We have only one data. We have two in our data table with name Amin, but I limit only one, and you give me the first one that you need. Okay? What we can do also, before we continue, we show you how to delay the log automatically when you run again your application. It's important because each time I do it, I do like this, log, cut, but we can do it automatically. So for this, just go here to run, and where is it? Edit configuration, and after this, I think it's in this one. Yeah, this one in miscellaneous use clear log before launch. Okay, that is it. Don't forget to check this one. After this, apply and good. So now what I can do also, I have shown you how to filter, how to add the more to a condition, how to limit your data. Also, I can add a new criteria. For example, I want to retrieve all the names that start with some characters or some string. Okay, not equals directly, not equals. I mean that's I want to retrieve all the name or all the data that have the name start with A. Okay. I think I don't have. I will check again. I will remove this to check if I have more than one data that start with name. I will just check this. Do you see the log as clear automatically? So here I will just check if I have name. I will just check name with yes, I have Azdin and Amin. So I want to retrieve just the name that starts with A, character A, okay, or AM, what you want. To do this, how I make this? So I come back with my keyword where, and here I added, of course, store with the column name, so it is name, and I added the new keyword. It is like this, and I will give him what I want to retrieve. What is the character or the chain of characters that I want to retrieve? To do this, I added the same thing, and here I want to retrieve or the name that starts with A, so it means it begins with A, and all the characters that comes after the character A, it's not important for me. So it's what is mean not important? I will add it. The character is called like this of divided character, okay, or modular. It means all the characters that comes after the character A, I can ignore them. There is no criteria for them. I just want to retrieve or the name that starts with character A. I will do another example, you will understand more. So just run this query to see the result. Where is it? Do you see? Amin and Azzdin. Good. Now I want to retrieve the same thing, but not start with that. I will want to retrieve the data or the friends that have the name that contains, listen very well, that contains the character A. Okay? It means it doesn't. It is not important that start with A or finish with A. That contains character A. To do this, I will add it here this character as before. It means what it comes and here A in lowercase. It means all the name that contains character A that we start. They have before the character A. It is not important. Give me all this one and all the characters that comes after A also it is not important. You can give me this data. So I just want to make the restriction the name that contains character A. Okay? And now look. Do you see? I have a lot of Musa have A, Halim have A, Reda have A. I can do more. For example, what I can do, R, for example, A and R, for example, these two. Just give me the data that contains this channel character or this string A and R. So let's see now what we have got. You see, I have only Karim that contains this one. I hope that you have understand how to make the criteria in your query. And now I will show you another thing, another different criteria. It is how to update your data. It is another thing. Sorry. So now I will show you how to make an update in your table. What does mean update? You have some data and you want to change some detail in your data. For example, here I want to change the age of Reda, for example, or the name. I don't want to get Reda. I want to change it directly from to Mohammed, from Mohammed, for example. It's changing the content of your data. To achieve this, I will create new SQL query db.execSQL and follow the same thing, the same syntax that I will put now. Okay, it is update, and here we'll give him the name of your table. So for me it is friends. Sorry, and now you specify before this you added the set keyword, and now you will specify or the column where you want to update your data, or one. For me, I will just update one column. So, for example, I will update the age of Halim from 36 to 46. So for this, I will put here the new value of my column. The column is name equal 46. I said, and when I want to update this value, I will update it where the name equals Halim. So like this, where name equals Halim. Okay, so now I will just delete this because if I let it, I don't see the result. And here, make it more readable, I will add that column to see the age and the name at the same time. Okay, let's see now. Oops. Okay, column. Where is Halim? Name as Din. Ah, sorry. Oh, I have put the name here. I. It's the age. I have made the. I'm making some mistake. Means no problem, no problem. Look here. The name War Halim is begin 46. I want to change the age. Do you know? Be careful about this. The career of criteria where you put. Huh? I have made the mistake because it is a test. No problem for us. But be careful when you are in production. Okay? So here I just want to put here like this. I can change it, no problem. I can change it. I can change it this one. So I come back to initial and name equal here Halim, where name equal carrots 46. And here I come back to the initial position, initial state. So okay, Halim, I come back to Halim. So okay, good. Now I repeat. I want to update the age of Halim to 46, where the name equal Halim. That's what I want to do before. Sorry. Do you see? The name, the age of Halim becomes 46. Good. What we can do now? Now I want to delete the data from my table. Between brackets. Be careful with this. With updates, you can come back. But with delete, if you make a mistake, bye bye. دربح. Okay, be careful with the accessory exception. Okay, the mistake here is to lose your data. It is not the same thing. So repeat, be careful. So to delete the data, I will use another query, exec SQL, and here I will give him, I want to delete. To delete, use this keyword delete, or this query, from also another keyword, and here we specify the table name. It's for me, it's friends. If I let like this, I will delete all the records, all the data from my table friends. I don't want. I just want to, for example, delete the records. Halim, hi Halim, I will go now. Sorry, friends, Halim. Okay, I delete from friends where name equal Halim. You will see I will lose all the data with Halim. Do you see? I don't have Halim now. That is what I have. Okay, so now be careful. I repeat, be careful with delete. If you make mistake, we lose data. Again, be careful. Now I will show you something that is very important in database. It is called primary key. Primary key is a column that you will insert when you create your table. So you create a new one. It will be unique. You can't have the same primary key. Here I have, before you can see when you have insert the same data, I have got the same value in my data. It will be repeated. But I don't want to make this. I can make, for example, the column name as primary key, or I can add the new primary key that we call ID in new table. And here I can get, for example, I can get the name repeated, no problem. But the primary key, it is not allowed. Okay? It is a constant like this. So you will use it to distinguish between your data. And also for another thing. SQL is very big course. If you want more detail, I tell you now, if you want more detail about how to use a query, update, to join table, foreign key, how to use an index, you must see the SQL course. I can make it, but I don't know it's in the Russian course or no. But if you want more detail, you need it in your application, Google. Okay. So now I will create a new table. I come on this one. I will create a new table. This one I don't need it. I call him France. France, in France, for example. I'll add the same thing here. I will add now a new colon ID as an integer, and here I will specify the primary key. Integer. I will specify it is the primary key. To this, I just added the keyword pre. No, I don't have auto completion. Primary key. Now my colon ID is primary key. It will be unique. And now, if I want to insert in my table like this, without using primary key, I don't want to use 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Each one I will add a new primary key. I want to be generated automatically. Okay, to do this, I will just added the keyword auto increment. Increment, auto increment, like this. Okay, and now I will insert in my data. Set new friends in this table. Now I don't use ID because I have said before I will want to be generated automatically. I will add some friends, for example, Jawad. Sorry, Jawad, I don't know your age, but sorry, 35. Sliman, 40, and GB, for example, or Yusri, or I have a lot of friends here. So 36. Okay. Now I have insert. I will make the select in my table, and I will use another index to get an ID to display it. Another index. Here it is ID and call him index 3, and I will display it after this. I hope that I got a generated ID. I hope. 3 colon ID. Let's see. Do you see? 1 was ID, 2, and 3. And now you can use this ID, for example, to make the criteria to delete what you want. For example, I want to delete Jawad. Go. Sorry. Go. Friends. I will delete Jawad, for example. Jawad, the ID of Jawad is 1. So here I don't use the colon, we use ID 1. Okay, let's see. Oops. Sorry, I have insert again. But I think Jawad, because I have made another insert. I have another Jawad, but the first one have disappeared. So to make sure, because I delete here, the first Jawad I insert it. So to make sure, okay, I have only one Jawad. Yeah, only one. Because the new one is for ID4. Do you see the ID1? I don't have it. The new Jawad I have because I have inserted again is have another ID. So I don't remove it. So if I want to remove all Jawad, I will make Jawad directly. Okay, do you see how you use primary key? It's very powerful, huh? Primary key, it's what I have showed you now. It's very little, just a little. So I think I have give you principal things that you can use in your other application with SQLite. Before to close this chapter, I will add some topic. It is not related with data storage, but I forgot it. Always I said if I see something that is important, I will add it directly in the chapter, not with the related chapter directly, but it is another with topic. So for example, in next video, I will show you how to use web view or how to display a website directly in your application. Okay, for example. So see you next video, inshallah. I hope that you have understand the concept in this moment is this concept of SQLite database, how to use it. Like this video, brothers and sisters. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And we tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.